Do you like tea? Do you like tea? Yes, I love tea. Yes, I love tea. May I join you? May I join you? Sure, come along. Sure, come along. Is he your brother? Is he your brother? Yes, he is my younger brother. Yes, he is my younger brother. Who is calling? Who is calling? It's my mom. It's my mom. What's your plan? What's your plan? I plan to watch a movie. I plan to watch a movie. Do you like dogs? Do you like dogs? Yes, they are adorable. Yes, they are adorable. What do you do? What do you do? I work as a chef. I work as a chef. Can you ride a bike? Can you ride a bike? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Can I sit here? Can I sit here? Yes, please. Yes, please. Who is knocking? Who is knocking? It's the delivery man. It's the delivery man. Is she awake? Is she awake? No, she's sleeping. No, she's sleeping. Can you sing? Can you sing? Not very well. Not very well. Who is coming? Who is coming? My cousins are coming. My cousins are coming. Why her? Why her? Because she is reliable. Because she is reliable. Do you know him? Do you know him? Yes, he's my neighbor. Yes, he's my neighbor.
What are you reading? What are you reading?
I am reading a novel. I'm reading a novel. What is your name? What is your name? My name is Jackie. My name is Jackie. Where were you? Where were you? I was at the park. I was at the park. Do you like painting? Do you like painting? Yes, it's my hobby. Yes, it's my hobby. Who is singing? Who is singing? That's my friend Anna. That's my friend Anna. What's wrong? What's wrong? I forgot my wallet. I forgot my wallet. What's your favorite fruit? What's your favorite fruit? I love mangoes. I love mangoes. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? It's on the shelf. It's on the shelf. What should we do? What should we do? Let's go for a movie. Let's go for a movie. Are you tired? Are you tired? Yes, a little. Yes, a little. Is this your pen? Is this your pen? Yes, it's mine. Yes, it's mine. Who are they? Who are they? They are my classmate. They are my classmate. How is the food? How is the food? It's really tasty. It's really tasty. Where is the station? Where is the station? It's 2 blocks away. It's 2 blocks away. Is it nearby? Is it nearby? No, it's a bit. No, it's a bit.